YouTube, it's KIAREY. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I decided to try to go to the gym before my workout, and I left my gloves, and I should be tearing up my hands, and my wrist is fucked up, so I can't work out without my gloves. But then I was gonna go back to the house for the gloves, but I can't go back to the house for the gloves because because I'll have to trade in a second, be back to the house to mark up my charts. So I'm just gonna go to the gym after I get off of work at 6. The treadmill beforehand, so that way I can I do the treadmill beforehand because I do it at the end of my workout. But I was like, so I can leave the gym early since I'm already here. Might as well do what I can. Got back to the crib. It's like a little bit before 7 o'clock, so I still got low-key almost an hour until the market opens. But I just wanted to say, yesterday I completely let my emotions win in every area. Go ahead. Just say it. It's okay. Sure.
6:30
a.m.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm sorry, miss. Fuck no. I woke up
But
tomorrow.
a.m.
7:30.
a.m. Oh, okay. Hate 5:30 days. Anyways, so yeah, yesterday I let my emotions win in every area. Once I've made that emotional decision when it came to trading, I made whatever. If you watch the video, watch the video. If you haven't watched the video, go watch the video. It's up on the channel right now. But it looks a hot mess too. So, but the trading thing, then I let my emotions win again after the trading. I smoked more than I was supposed to yesterday, letting my emotions win. I went to nothing but cake yesterday, letting my emotions win. And all these trickle effects of letting my emotions win, I let my emotions win pretty much, damn near, because at the end of the day, I ended up not eating no real food all day yesterday because I didn't have enough calories for real food. And one thing about me is, even if I fuck up eating too many snacks, I'm not doing my calorie deficit. Like, you got me fucked up. I decided, like I told y'all, I decided to say fuck what I want in life pretty much for a whole day. But that's why today is going to be a very strong day. I'm going to make sure I'm very disciplined with every area of my life, which is why I did end up getting up at 5 something to go to the gym, even though I didn't go to the gym. That was like the mindset behind it. But today's objective is not to let my emotions win, to be as disciplined as possible, do what it takes no matter what. And the good thing about today is I only work about 5 hours, 4 hours and 45 minutes. So everything for the day should be smooth.
Mondays and Tuesdays.
Peep my girlfriend watching my vid. So cute and sweet. Market opened about 5 minutes ago. 2 things that could be potentially happening on the Us30. I want, or this is NAS. On NAS, I want this to push down into here, give me an entry signal off of this area for a long, or this to come give me a break and retest. It already gave me a break, so I need to retest in a bearish or a bullish entry signal. And if we don't get those, I'm sure we'll get something else. It's only 7:35, so that's just the very top analysis of the day, but we shall see. We're getting a push into that area that I did want, so in about 10 minutes we'll see what ends up happening with this one. Both of those analyses that I wanted ended up pretty much like they're way past any of those entry points. So right now what I'm currently waiting for is for either a break and retest to go long, or a bounce play off of this, maybe a fake out to the upside, and then a bearish entry signal or a rejection. It just depends what is going to end up happening, how I can capitalize off of this move. Today's trading day seems to be a real big waiting game. I did end up missing out on an opportunity. It didn't really give me a clear sign. It's this break, retest, entry signal right here, but this hour level right here made me not take it. So I'm okay with not missing that opportunity because I'm not trying to rush into getting into anything and lose because I was rushing. I would have won already, would have been out of the trade, but that is okay. You can't catch every opportunity. Right now I'm waiting for this to set up. We got that break of this area, retest, and then hopefully after this 3 minutes, the 5-minute candle will close just about this area, or a little bit above both of those 2 candles, but we will see. I'm gonna go take a shit real quick. leaving that in too. I'm gonna go poop real quick. And hopefully in the next 3 minutes, I'll be done and in this trade. Since it's truly a virtue, I could have executed this when it was going up before that candle closed. But like I said, I followed my plan and wait for the entry signal and wait for that candle to close. And the candle is closing bearish. So, like I said, we'll see if we'll get into another opportunity. Today is looking like a slow day. So I was just looking at this. And I was saying if this comes back down, I'm going to go long. But then this would be my thing to the other side. Because it would be break, retest, entry signal, bearish entry signal, and get in. So I won't be doing that. If it comes back down, I won't be buying it. It may go up, but I don't. It may go up, but I don't care to go against my initial plan to get in this trade. So another 1 to 2 hit. It did end up going up. Days like this are frustrating. Just waiting, seeing all these opportunities pass you by. But they're the most rewarding because when I do get in a trade, if I do get in a trade today, I'm sure it'll play out and it'll be my exact strategy. Exactly what I want to see. If I'm unsure about the trade, I don't want to get in. If you're ever like just hesitant about taking the trade, just don't get in. That's something that I learned and it honestly has helped me a lot. I might not get into anything today. I got about an hour left to get into something. I've been here for about 2 hours waiting for a setup. But like I said, if I don't end up getting anything today, patience pays. So tomorrow or the next day or the next day or the next day. All right. So after waiting a million years, finally did get into this trade. All right, y'all. So I'm probably gonna just get out. The only reason is because on one of my accounts, not on one of my accounts. So there is some major rejection up in this area right here. And I just realized my trade wouldn't even give me a 1 to 2. Like realistically for the structure points. So today was a whole bunch of waiting for nothing. That's kind of what happens in trading. I'm not mad at this trade and I'm not mad that I got out because I honestly feel like I got in this trade to take a trade. I could have gotten out a little bit higher, but it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, or you have some break-even days and weeks. This week, we're literally break-even. I was down $200 yesterday. I just came up $200. I won $300 on this account today and probably on the other account like $80. $77. So, yeah, I'm gonna do a vibe for now. I'm gonna leave the account where the account is at for today. I kind of did break my rules because I could have just stayed in the trade, got stopped out. But once I realized that there was all that rejection at that point, and I was just wanting to get in because of all the missed opportunities, I was like, let me stop this while I'm ahead. There's no point in doing a whole bunch of bull till that your psychology is messed up. For tomorrow and for next week, I don't want to mess up the account, so there's no reason to take an L on a trade that I wasn't really confident about. So got in, got out. It was what it was. Our balances are now at $51,454.86, and the leveled up account is at $51,944.69. So if you guys have watched this point of the video, make sure you're getting 1% better every day. My goals for tomorrow and next week are to make sure I get in good trades, don't hesitate, and stay in the trade. Get in trades that I can trust my analysis on so that I can stay in the trade. I don't think I got out of the trade emotionally. I think I had some logic for getting out of the trade. But yeah, peace.